ambitions to set out and find, like an Odyssey, going home somewhere. I'm set out to find this home that I'd left a while back, and couldn't remember exactly where it was, but I was on my way there, and encountering what I encountered on the way was how I envisioned it all. I didn't really have any ambition at all. I was born very far from where I'm supposed to be, and so I'm on my way home, you know.
Meet me in the springtime, where the purple ranges roll, and the earth is slowly turning, with our summer crops to sow, where the perfect emerald waters hold a taste of winter's chill. I'll show you something magic up on Palmerston Hill. Palmerston Hill holds a mountain people, and we're friends, they're one and all. From the heart of the Crater Mountain to that thundering waterfall, there's a crater lake back in the mountains. How deep the waters, no one can say, but it holds an ancient secret, and the hill folks stay away. For they say one distant summer, children sailed out from that shore, and the boats went down so quickly, oh, they drowned, they did for sure. And we searched those silent waters, not a trace was found until they just turned up 1 week later up on Palmerston Hill. Palmerston Hill holds a mountain. Drifting too far from the shore.
Maybe when I was about 10, I started playing a guitar. I found a guitar in the house that my father bought, actually. I found something else in there. Has kind of mystical overtones. There was a great big mahogany radio. It had a 78 turntable when you opened up the top. And I opened it up one day, and there was a record on there, a country record. It's a song called Drifting Too Far from Shore.
You're drifting too far from the shore.
The sound of the record made me feel like I was somebody else.
I have been looking around recently. I have been trying just to see the sky. There's nothing blue in what I have been seeing, and I am wondering why. From balconies on their penthouse apartments, I can see people who are staring down. I know at the same time they too are searching, but they all seek the ground. Good things, they say, come in small sizes, or so the story goes. The bigger the better's the one, it would seem, that everybody wants to know. Billboards are filled up with lies.
Hang on here, Dad, up you don't see much of him. When a mom works late, I tuck her in minutes. Snow leopards and horses. Can you draw a kangaroo? She got me hanging every bow, yeah, blending. That dog of mine, he loves her too. It's amazing what he lets her do. She can ride him like a pony, with ribbons and frills. He keeps on grinning. His heart is filled, he's blending. Whoa, blending. Now who does the dishes? Who takes long showers? Honey, that was delicious. Battles of flowers. I got mistakes. You got yours too. That little darling, she's a blue, always blending.
I really can't say the girls took a liking to me or not from playing around town. The first girl that ever took a liking to me, her name was Gloria Story. Gloria Story. I mean, that was her real name. Second girlfriend was named Echo. Now, that's pretty strange. I've never met anybody named Echo. I serenaded her underneath the ladder that went up to her window. Both these girls, by the way, brought out the poet in me.
Bloody town was mean as you can't be. Ain't got no crystal water, ain't got no sweet lagoons. Honeymoon in June, I came too early. She left too soon. Townsville, bloody Townsville, you're rusty, dusty dude. Got my sweet love guesses locked out in the stony tomb. His honeymoon in June, baby went to sea, but not with me. Townsville, bloody Townsville, don't worry about the heat. The cold ass landlord kisses, she hurls you to the street. Oh, Townsville, bloody Townsville, your bad taste is legendary. The latest exhibition surprises even me. If I make it out of here, and if I make it through, I never will return again. I'm coming back to you. Oh, Townsville, bloody Townsville, I can't believe it's true. Townsville, bloody Townsville, Townsville, it's not good. Townsville, bloody Townsville.
There was many singers who were good, but they couldn't focus their attention on anybody. They couldn't really get inside somebody's head.
Fairly well, honey, fairly well.
You got to be able to pin somebody down.
On Monday nights, Bob Dylan used to come over there, and he was always just hanging around. Sometimes you want to say, go away.
At the early age of 16 years, he left his native home. And
Liam was profound. He would, besides all of his rebel songs and his acting career, he would have these incredible sayings. Like once he said to me, after about 30 pints of Guinness, he was saying, "Remember, Bob, no fear, no envy, no meanness." I said, right. who I wanted to be like were those kind of performers. They all had one thing in common. It was in their eyes. And there was something in their eyes that would say, I know something.
The tracks I travel may not get me very far. The light I follow may be a falling star. But as I wander, as I walk familiar streets, it gets me down no matter who I see or meet.
You want to start the game again?
Maybe tomorrow we'll see me back again. Maybe I'll feel the same no matter where I am. I feel dissatisfied with all that I attempt. If I'm marching, seems that I am out of step.
You want to start the game again?
It's time for me to leave, I guess, so I will say farewell. You could say this play is changing scenes. Where I'm bound or I long for is something I can't tell. Maybe I will let you know where it is I've been.
You want to start the game again?
And yes, I realize that this world is round. Each step I take leads back to where I'm standing now. I'm looking for a sign that's not a question mark. For a light, for an exit from the dark.
You want to start the game again?
It's 40 years or more since I wrote this song. Since I left those empty streets where I did not belong. Since I met my soulmate and together side by side we've been happy, living out fulfilling life. I'm glad I left when I did. I'm glad I said goodbye to worn out rituals of country town daily life. From the Beaujolais vendange to your bongos dance with pride. We've been happy, we have loved and laughed and cried. It's not long ago that you used to see young children playing some game or other outside under shady trees, without any need for fancy toys, just a cardboard box and lots of noise. Kids could entertain themselves for hours, find ourselves a big stick, and it became a paddle. Our box would now change into our very own rowing boat, and we'd set off in search of adventures with dinosaurs, pterodactyls, lost alone in the land before time. Where has it gone, this childish delight in the whole world of wonder and fascination? Video games, Facebook, smartphones, iPads leave nothing to kids' imagination. Tip the box upside down and cut some holes for windows. Your cubby house is ready for you to invite your friends, and you all dress up and pretend.
Girona, 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 yeah, Girona, Girona, hey, Girona. There's a green tree growing by a mountain pool. Water runs down, it's swift and cool. Big rain comes, gonna wash it away. I'm just like that tree someday. That's Girona, oh, Girona, yeah, Girona. That's a Girona, Girona, hey, Girona. There's a boulder standing on the mountainside, stands so tall it could touch the sky. Big rain comes, gonna tumble down. Just like me, it's gonna hit the ground. That's Girona, oh, Girona, yeah, Girona, oh, Girona, Girona, hey, Girona.
Beyond that very first rainbow, where nothing was that was not of gold, not of the base metallic kind, something far more pure, far more refined. Harmony of light and colors, where people had respect for others. No global warming, no nuclear warfare, a world of peaceful coexistence. No pyramid of rich and poor, toleration before hate and war, extermination, colonial invasions, nightmares no one had yet dreamed of. Beyond that
Hey everybody, let's have some fun. Only live once, when dead you're gone. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Come on, get together, everybody young and old. Come on, let the good times roll. Don't sit there grumbling, talking trash. Wanna have a bottle, you gotta spend a little cash. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Come on, get together, everybody, young and old. Come on now, let the good times roll.
It's all very well to be by yourself, hidden away in your room. No need to talk of the rain that may fall on the cloud that jumped over the moon. To stare through the glass as clouds float past, guess what they represent? To philosophize, be so very wise about the meaning of life and death. But often I worry what became of the spoon. Can cows really jump the moon? Did the little dog laugh to see such fun? And how fast can dishes run? It's good now and then to bow your head. Think of those you have known. Ask where did they go, above or below, now that the beanstalk's grown. Sometimes to surmise with tears in your eyes, the end of the world is nigh. Too sorry for those less fortunate souls than the 3 mice that were born blind. Is it true Jack reached the top? Did she really cut their tails off? With a knife did she make them run? And what's fee, fi, fo, fum?
I thought that I needed to press on, and get as far into it as I could.
sail me away on wings of bright water to a black mountain day. Strong winds gonna blow and the rain come by, but through it all I'll stand by your side. Girl, I'll sing you the river, sail you away on wings of bright water to a black mountain day.